Hey, what's up, tubers? This is the SHTF Hunter. So I'm going to do a small series about some of the equipment I take to the field, or the gear that's in my GMC Sonoma. That's my hunting truck and my range vehicle. A lot of times, if I go to I go down to the farm where I can shoot 500 yards. So I decided to commission like a survival bag. And most of the items in this bag are designed to keep me in the field, and or get me home if the truck broke down. I need to get home. The GMC Sonoma rarely ever leaves my county, so it's mostly around here. So I wouldn't have to. It's not like it's going to be. I'm going to need to walk a long way or whatever. But anyway. So this is a SOG off order bag. A buddy of mine got one. I thought it was pretty cool, and it's got a thing on the back. I'll show you what it looks like when it's all packed up, so you can keep stuff on the back. And so some of the items are survival items, and then some of them are weapon survival items. Keep my guns running. We'll start down here. I actually had to. This is a gray water filter. I actually took it out with another kit. It's more likely to be used from this kit than it was the other one. So there's a gray water filter. These things are awesome. A lot of big name survivalists are using these. I got my eating utensils right here. These are, I don't know if you can get these anymore, but it's the Walmart brand. I forgot the name of them. Anyway. We're gonna move on. Fork, spoon, knife. Here's just a big lighter. Stainless steel canteen cup you get at Walmart. So all these 4 items go in here in this canteen pouch. You got some dirty old weird plugs here. And I got a cobalt saw, a couple extra different blades. One's metal, one's plastic, one's wood. Got a Gerber multiplier. I always got to have those before we go up there. Let's go down here. Got a few shelter items. Got a poncho. Got a hammock and 550 cord. So all 3 of these items are can be used to make shelter and a place to sleep if you had to. We'll go up here. I'm working on getting more survival or medical kit items. So right now I got some black tape, quick clot gauze, and ace bandage for wrapping a sprained ankle or something, because it happens to me a lot. But I will have some roll Advil in here, when we'll Advil from a travel while, because a lot of times I get outside, it's cold, wet, damp, and I start getting a headache, so I still got to put that in here. Right here, stainless steel cleaning rod. Right here's the 3rd piece. If something happens, you fall, trip, and your gun barrel goes into the dirt, mud, your hunt is done until you can find something long, straight, and rigid to go into the barrel and clean the barrel out. Here's the some cleaning patches in the head. So I feel like this is a must for a field survival kit. Got rim oil. You know, sometimes AR-15s don't run dry. Some of them don't. So you better have you something like that. I got a spare sling. I've actually had a sling fall apart on me in the field one time. It's hard to climb a tree stand when you're if you ain't got a sling. So I wanted to keep a spare sling. Up here we got Zippo Typhoon matches. These things are awesome. If you see them at Walmart, grab some. Over here you got, that's not an Ozark Trail. That's the Coleman. I just put it in the Ozark Trail bag. That's a Coleman heater. There's the gas source. And here's 3 packs of Nutrient Survival freeze-dried food. I'll eat a few of these. They're not bad. Go over here. I got some tools. This is a precision set. You know, when you go in your local Tractor Supply, go to their their tool bin, like the discount tool bin, check out, see what they got. So, you know, when it comes to working on guns, you got a lot, you know, sometimes you'll have precision screws, Allen heads, whatever. So up here I got metric standard Allen heads, and I got the Star also. They're all cobalt. And I got a Stanley ratchet driver here. It's got a few sockets, which I know some scope mounts actually have socket heads, so you'll need those. So Allen heads, socket heads, Star heads are pretty important for maintaining, getting a firearm back up and running, or tightening up scope mounts. Now up here I got a little bit of camouflage. This is a ghillie suit, pants, and a coat that I got from Rule King a long time ago. And over here I got a hat to go along with it, and I got a baklava, pair of gloves. I don't wear a lot of gloves, but anyways, might need them. Over here got some Polar Tech waffles. These things are super warm. When you're out in the field, it's probably better to be too warm than not warm enough. So anyway, so I got those. And I got a warmer baklava right there. Down here, I got my SIG rangefinder. This thing's awesome. I think it's like a kilo 1000 or 1200 or something like that. I love it, the rangefinder. And right here, just got a she-bog, so kind of use like a handkerchief. Yeah, I think I missed the duct tape, but yeah, gotta have duct tape. Gotta have black tape for, I use it for band-aids a lot of time. So there you have it. There's part one of what's in the GMC Sonoma, basically. So, all right, tubers, I'm back, and I got the I got everything packed back up, and I thought I'd show you what that looks like now. Now I've added some pouches onto the side or like the cummerbund. One of the reasons I got this, I wanted this pack, is it had Molly, a lot of Molly all over it, and it even had Molly on the cummerbund, which is something I like, come to like here recently. But thought I'd show you what the outside of the pack looked like. Let me start off by saying all the actual survival items that are in the main compartment, a lot of the bigger items for survival are packed in the bottom of this pack. And the reason is my truck has a lot of survival items, like it'll have rolled toilet paper, hunting knives, you know, stuff like it, just different stuff. And in eventuality, I did have to bug out and leave the truck. In the top, there's a lot of the firearms tools and stuff are in the top, so I could just throw out the firearm tools and use, you know, any extra items that's in the truck that'll, you know, bottles of water, toilet paper, whatever, I could throw in the top of this backpack before I head out. And so yeah, the top's kind of empty for that reason. Also, I got this big pouch here on the cummerbund. I could throw extra items in also if I had to bug out. Got a couple extra AR-15 mag pouches. Those may come in handy, who knows. But alright, so there it is. There's the GMC Sonoma Survival Pack. This is the SH Hunter. I'm out.